There's been a big run on pantyhose lately. Turns out there's far more uses for nylons than previously known. They're a gardener's good friend. Stuff the pantyhose full of bulbs for safekeeping until you replant them. This bag of bulbs makes for good air circulation and it prevents rotting. Look, instant cellulite. Old hose hold garlic well too. After harvest, place them in the toe of the pantyhose, tie a knot, put another one in, tie a knot. Simply cut a clove off the bottom when you need one, and this works well for onions too. It repels unwanted vampires too. Keep bugs and birds off fruits and veggies growing in the garden. Cut a piece of pantyhose near the toe. String it over grapes, tomatoes, peppers. Keeps the insects away and prevents rotting when you use the pantyhose to tie your crop up off the ground. Or put a piece of pantyhose over the entire plant. Instant floating row covers. This will keep the bugs from eating your tender new plants. But as the weather gets hot, be sure to take this off or it'll cook it. Turn pantyhose into fertilizing tea bags. Simply cut apart the legs, fit one inside the other, put a couple of scoops of manure into the pantyhose, tie it at the top, and let your manure tea brew for a couple of days. Gardening ain't pretty. Then use the tea full strength or diluted on your plants for a boost. Black magic. Muddy Waters isn't just a singer. Instead of just watering the roots, why not spray the leaves? Plants soak up nutrients this way too. But you don't want those chunks getting in your spray nozzle, so pour the manure tea through a pantyhose filter. Just place the toe onto the sprayer and rubber band the top. Keeps those chunks of junk out. And then spray away. Pantyhose also make good ties for lilies. This one has huge flowers which are too heavy for the stalk. Tying it to a stake prevents it from snapping in two. Pantyhose are always on the run. Make them work for you when their time runs out.